On everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be using FeaturePoints. Now, FeaturePoints is an application where it'll allow you to earn rewards via surveys, games, or whatever tasks that are available. Now, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want to do. And I've already signed up for mine, so we're just going to show you the main window here. So this is your main window that you see when you start up. It shows that you can share your own custom video. And then it also says, let's get started, where it says, complete these tasks to get the most out of FeaturePoints. So you have to do 6 of the tasks to get everything completed. And then on the top left, it shows your notification bell. And then this is all the stuff that you've done. I've completed 2 surveys and I've earned 2 points. And we're going to go back to the earn page. And it gives you an option to share your own custom videos. So you can press on that. And then it allows you to earn unlimited free points. So there's my referral code here, and the link is also in the description. So if you want to get started, you can click on this link and you can earn some points. And it allows you to share your referral code, post to Instagram, and you can share your custom video, and you can earn points. So the more you earn, the more points you get. And then we're going to go here, and it shows all the surveys that are available. So when you do your introductory survey, it allows you to unlock these other surveys. So it shows you the surveys from all these research companies. And then you can also play games and earn points. So this is something new. Now, I've used this years and years ago, but I've never had the chance to earn a lot of points using FeaturePoints. So the play and earn function is relatively new, and the options are loading here. And then there's also offers. So you can go and look up different offers from Offer Toro and all these other companies, and you can earn cash back. And then you can also watch videos and earn tokens, and you can earn unlimited points, and you can share by social media. So then all the options show here. So we're going to go play and earn, and then it says accept terms of use, and then we will now permit it into our usage data. So it allows you to permit usage data access here. And we're just going to go into FeaturePoints, and then you have to set it to allow usage tracking. So that way it'll load a game and it will allow you to go through and earn points. And it gives you the option to install the games and then you can earn them. So those are the 3 games that are there right now. You can play the slots games to earn 36 points in a minute and 32. It shows the different offers there. So we're going to go back, and you can play those 3 games right now. I think they're going to add more, but for now, those are the 3 games that are there. And then it also shows opinions on how to earn up to 1,410 points, 4,000 points, 3,000 points. And you can go to win, and then it shows here instant scratch and win contests where you can earn scratch and win tokens. So we're going to get started here, and we're going to just scratch and win here, see if we won anything. So we got 3 candies in a row, and we're going to claim 2 tokens. So those 2 tokens will be used for other games, and you can just play again if you like, and you can use your tokens. So you just scratch and scratch and scratch and see if you won anything. Then you claim 5 tokens, and then I think those tokens will be used for other things. So these are the gift cards that you can redeem them for. You can redeem them for Amazon, Starbucks, League of Legends, Nintendo eShop, Bass Pro, Cineplex, Gap, Indigo, Hudson's Bay, Walmart gift card, PayPal, Visa, and apparently Bitcoin. Now that is interesting. So I guess the more points you earn, the more you win. So we're going to go into PayPal. You can earn up to $500. That's pretty cool. So start earning those points. And then we're going to go back. Let's see for Bitcoin. So 6,000 points equals $10 US Bitcoin. So you have to earn 6,000 points. Payment is sent with Coinbase to your account. So you need to have a Coinbase to set up. So we need about 6,000 points. I did not know $10 US dollar base. Wow, that's interesting. Bitcoin's apparently very big. And then you can also redeem it with a Visa gift card. So you can get a Visa rewards card here up to $250. That's really nice. And then for the Amazon, up to $50. Starbucks card, $25. And then the League of Legends, RP League of Legends gift card, up to 1,020 RP and then 2,600 RP. Riot points, that's what they're called. And then Nintendo eShop, $20. Okay, that's something at least. Then the Bass Pro Shops, they have up to 50. The Cineplex up to 100. The Gap up to 50. Then the Indigo up to 25. Hudson's Bay up to 25. And then for the Walmart gift card up to $50. So that is helpful. So these are the ways that you can redeem the points. And then you can also, like I said, share. And then there's the profile there. There's my profile. And then it shows all the information there. And that is it, actually. That is generally the gist of FeaturePoints. And I'm really looking forward to this app. So if you have any questions about the app, leave me a comment below. And you can also click on my referral link so that you can earn points along with me. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another video.